name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear students, today we are going to learn about quadratic function. There are many things which are very important. We need to know the quadratic function, the vertex, the axis of symmetry, y-intercept, x-intercept, the direction of the parabola. Okay, so what is vertex? What is the axis of symmetry? Let's see. This is the graph. Okay, in this graph, the first thing which is written, we need to know what is the vertex. Vertex is a turning point. Vertex is a turning point, this one. Okay, so this is the turning point. So this is a vertex. So what is vertex? Vertex equal the value of x. Value of x at the turning point is -2, and the value of y at the turning point is -9. So this is a vertex. Okay, this point is also called a minimum point, minimum or maximum. So this is minimum point. Okay, then after that, this we have to find the axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry mean the line which divide the graph into two equal parts. So this is the line. This is the line. Line at x2, yani x equal -2. At x equal -2, this is the axis of symmetry. This line divide the graph into two equal parts. This is the second thing. Then the third thing, the direction of the graph. If graph is open up, if graph is open up, we say a is greater than 0. If graph is open down like this, so then a is less than 0. So now a is more than 0 mean 1, 2, 3, any positive number. Okay, what is a? You know the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is a x square plus bx plus c. I mean this a, the coefficient of x square. If the coefficient of x square is greater than 0, the graph open up. If a coefficient is less than 0, graph opens down. I hope it is clear. Okay, this is the direction of the graph. Okay, then after that, x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay, let me erase this one. X-intercept and y-intercept. X-intercept in the graph, it is very clear and easy to find. X-intercept. X-intercept. X-intercept where the graph cross the x-axis. This is x-axis. Where it cross the x-axis, that is x-intercept. Yani x equal -5 and x equal +1. So these are the two values of x where the graph cross the x-axis. Okay, now y-intercept. 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 Okay, y-intercept where this graph line cross the y-axis. Cross the y-axis at this point. So what is y-axis? Y-intercept, which is -5. I hope you understand the things. What we studied, the vertex, the maximum or minimum point, or the turning point, then the line of symmetry, which line the cross the divide the graph into two equal parts, x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay, from the graph it is very easy just to recognize the places and to write the values. If they will give us the function, for example, look at this question. They gave us the function. They asked you to find for the following quadratic function, identify the vertex, axis of symmetry, direction, maximum and minimum value. Okay, y-intercept and x. Okay, maximum and minimum value mean the value of y at the vertex here. This is the maximum value of y. So here the maximum value is as I wrote here, this is -5, and the maximum mean here we have the minimum value, which is y equal -9. This is minimum value. Understand? Okay, now they gave us a function. Using the function we are going to find the vertex. First of all, finding the vertex mean the value of x and value of y. So we can find the value of x. X equal minus b over 2a. This is the formula. What is b? Minus 12. Minus 12 over 2. A is the coefficient of x square, which is 3. So x equal minus 12 minus plus 12 over 3 times 2, 6. So 12 divided by 6 equal 2. So this is the value of x. Okay. In the vertex, I will write the value x 2. Okay. Now we will find the value of y to substitute in the function. So f of x mean y. F of x mean y. Y equal, replace x with 2. Minus 12 into 2 plus 9. 2 square equal 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Minus 12 times 2, 24 plus 9. So 12 and 9 both are positive. We will add. So 12 plus 9 equal 21 minus 24. So y equal minus 3. 21 minus 24 equal minus 3. So value of y is minus 3. I hope you understand. Okay. After this is the vertex. Okay. This is the maximum or minimum point. Later I will ask and we will discuss it is maximum point or minimum point. How we know? Now axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry mean the vertex, the value of x. So x equal, let me change the color. X equal 2. This is the axis of symmetry. Always the vertex, the value of x is the axis of symmetry. Now the graph opens up or down. As I told you, if it is positive a, the coefficient of x square, if a is positive, graph opens up. So now if a is less than 0, opens down. Now a is positive, so opens up. Opens up. Okay. Now maximum and minimum value, as I showed you in the graph, the maximum and minimum value is the value of y in the vertex. So it is maximum value or minimum, because it opens up, so it is minimum value. If opens down, then maximum value. So it is open up, so minimum value, which is right, minimum. Okay, I can cross this one. It is minimum value, not this one, minimum value, which is minus 3. Okay, now we will find y-intercept. Okay, to find y-intercept, x equals 0. For y-intercept, x equal, always whenever you will find y-intercept, x 0. When you will find x-intercept, y 0. So now this is equal y. So y equal 3 x 0 minus 12 x 0 plus 9. So y equal 9, because this and this both are 0. So remaining is 9. So y-intercept is 9. Okay, now we will find x-intercept. If y-intercept x 0, if x-intercept y 0, so this is equal 0. So this all equal 0, mean 3 x square minus 12x plus 9 equal 0. Okay, now we will find the value of x. So this is, I will use a factorization method. You will also understand, you will learn how to factorize. So 3 multiply with 9, I will write x square minus 12x. 3 multiply 9 equal what? 27. Equal 0. Now I need two number. To multiply two number, get 27. To plus both number equal 12. What are the numbers? So if I multiply minus 9 with minus 3, give us 27, because minus positive. Minus 9 minus 3 equal minus 12. So which is equal minus 9 and minus 3. I got these numbers. Okay. Now after this, getting this one, we have the coefficient is 3. So divide both by 3. So x minus 3, because 9 divided 3 equal 3. Then x minus 3 divided 3 equal 1 equal 0. Now x minus 3 equal 0 and x minus 1 equal 0. X equal 3, x equal 1, because 3 is negative and go there positive, negative and go there positive. You can find also by using calculator directly this quadratic equation. Okay. So x intercept I found x equal 3 and x equal 1. So it means the graph intersect the x-axis at 2 places and y-axis at 1 place only. Look at this question. This is a real life question. They said ball is thrown upward the height with the height function given. This is the function of the height. Okay. Whenever we will throw the ball, it will be like that. You know, the graph look like this one. So it means the graph opens down. Okay, a is negative. So a is negative minus 16. They ask you to find the maximum height. Graph is like that. We will find this maximum point, mean the vertex. Then from the vertex, the value of y is height, because vertical line. This is horizontal line, values of x. So we will find the vertical line height. So we need to find the value of y. So look here, to find the value of y, we need to find the value of x first. So what is x here? T. T equal minus b over 2a, which is equal minus b is 64. B is 64 over 2. A is minus 16. So t equal minus 64 over minus 32, which is equal 64 divided 32, which is equal to. So we found the value of t, the x. So this will give us the value of y, which is height. So replace t in the function with 2. H of 2 equal minus 16, 2 square plus 64, 2 plus 80. Okay. 2 square is 4, minus 16 into 4. 64 multiply 2 equal 128 plus 18. Then minus 16 multiply 4, 64 plus 128 plus 80 equal 208. Now 208 minus 64. So which is equal 8 minus 4 is 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. Then 144. Okay. So this is the height. This is the maximum height, 144 feet. It is given in feet. So the maximum height is reaches up to 144 feet. Now after this one, we will find the what time does the bar reach at the maximum height. What time we will find the value of t. At what time the maximum height it reach maximum height. So which is we found just before, which is t. What is t? Equal to, because we've solved t equal minus b over 2a, the same thing. Okay, they at the 2 seconds, in 2 seconds it reached this point. Okay, now they said after how many seconds ball will hit the ground back. Okay, this is, you know, the height. The ball reaches at, this is 2, this is 1, this is 0. Okay, so at 2 144, this is the vertex. Okay, the maximum point. Okay, in maximum point, this is the value of x, the mean value of t. At 2 seconds it reached the highest, the height is 144. Now we will find, they ask you how many seconds, after how many seconds ball will hit the ground. This one we will find now. To find this one, this is the x-intercept. You know, to find the x-intercept, y equals 0. Whenever we will find the x-intercept, y is 0. So in the last question, they are asking you to find x-intercept. So you need to understand what are they asking, x-intercept or y-intercept. How many seconds mean the value of t. This is the x-axis. Okay. So if x-intercept y equals 0, so minus 16 t square plus 64t plus 80 equals 0. So now all we can divide by 16 to make it easier. 16, 16, 16. Okay, you can divide by minus 16 also, no problem. 16. So this cancels, so t square just okay, minus 16 minus 16. I divided by minus, this cancelled, so t square plus minus minus 64 divided by 16, 40, minus 60, 80 divided by 16, which is 5, equals 0. 0 divide something equals 0. So now we can factorize easily. T, what two number we multiply equal minus 5, we add equal minus 4, which is equal minus 5 plus 1. Minus 5 multiply plus 1 equal minus 5. Minus 5 plus 1 equal minus 4. So we can find the value of t. T minus 5 equal 0. So t equal 5 and t plus 1 equal 0. T equal minus 1. So these are the intercept of, so this is negative 1 and this is positive 1. So what is our answer? After how many seconds will the ball hit the ground? So it means the positive answer. So t is 5 because in 2 seconds it reach up. After 3 more seconds it reach back to the ground. So our answer is t equal 5. So after 5 seconds, after 5 seconds, this is our answer. I hope it is clear. Thank you so much for watching.